Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 6th. I'm going to be analyzing the SPX500 or the S&P 500, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the SPX500, we made a very impulsive move up, as you can see. I was originally thinking this was going to be three waves up and it was going to go down like this, which I still think is possible, that this is like an A, this is a B, and this is a C. So we do need to keep that in mind, especially if this move up on shorter time frames ends up being like a three-wave correction. We'll know that it is going back down. But looking at how impulsive up that is, it probably is a 1, 2, 3, 4. That probably is going to go up. We do have elections coming next year in the U.S., and I think that they are going to do everything they can to get this up near all-time highs prior to the elections next year. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement measuring the wave 3. We made a 61.8% Fibonacci bounce. We have not really broken structure, so I can't really say 100% that it is going up. And like I said, we do have to keep in mind that this could make like a three-wave correction and go back down, turning into like a 1, 2, and a 3 of wave C like I was showing on the monthly. But with how impulsive up it is, with how we bounced off a fib level, I mean, I am definitely looking for longs where we learn whether it does continue the uptrend or whether we learn whether it makes a three-way pattern and goes back down. So taking it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, definitely very impulsive move up. It may be getting pretty close to being over also. It looks like it should be either an A or a 1. It looks like it should make a correction next, would either be a B or a 2. Then if it goes up and makes a wave C, goes back near these highs or maybe even takes that high out and then rejects that structure and goes back down and breaks structure to the downside, that's what will tell me it's a wave C, and I would definitely start looking for shorts again. But it also could turn into a wave 3, and if it is a wave 3, then it will just continue to make higher highs, higher lows, to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5, like I was showing on the higher time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, definitely very strong up. It does kind of resemble to me a 3, 4, 5 up here at the top, so I do think there is a good chance that we are going down for either an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. So either way, I am for sure going to get long at the end of this B or 2 to learn whether it's a wave C, which would look like that and then turn back down, or learn whether it's a wave 3, which would continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So let's keep going down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, so far I just got my Fibonacci retracement on this last wave up, because if this does turn out to be a 1, 2, 3 pattern, then it would just go down to a Fibonacci level of this last wave up, make 3 waves down, make impulsive up, and if it does do that, I would definitely go long for the continuation of the uptrend. But I would for sure have to see 3 waves down with a nice engulfing move to the upside at a Fibonacci level, because I also see the possibility it could go down, take out this structure, and turn into a much bigger correction, which would be a wave B or a wave 2, just like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.